Hi everyone, what I'm going to explain is backed by the mechanics working here in the shop, so no need to worry, this can be fixed. When your Ford shows the message, steering loss, stop safely, the first thing is don't panic, even though it sounds scary. What's happening is that the electric power steering system detected something unusual and decided to shut down to protect you. It's like your car saying, hey, I'm not confident I can steer properly, better stop before we get into trouble. That's why you'll notice the steering feels heavier or less assisted. This kind of warning doesn't just appear out of nowhere. The sensors and modules in the system are constantly checking how you turn the wheel, and if they receive abnormal data, like a torque sensor sending weird signals or a module not responding, the car plays it safe and triggers the alert. Basically, it's making sure you don't lose control while driving. Many of the mechanics here say the most common cause is something simple electrically, like low battery voltage or loose connections. Yes, even if your car starts fine, the steering modules need stable voltage. If they don't get it, they freak out and shut off assistance. Before panicking about expensive parts, checking the battery and cables usually solves a lot of cases. If the electrical side checks out, then the next step is to look at the EPS sensors and wiring. Corroded connections, loose wires, or moisture can send false signals to the computer. The car, being cautious, shuts off assistance and displays the warning. Many mechanics note that simply cleaning and tightening these connections often makes the alert go away. Sometimes a hit, worn parts, or issues with the steering rack are to blame. In these cases, the EPS module receives incorrect data and decides, nope, I'm not playing. This is when a deeper diagnostic is needed, scanning the system's specific DTC codes, because guessing could lead to replacing parts that aren't actually bad. There are also reports that restarting the system can help if it's just an electronic glitch. Turning the car off, waiting a few minutes, and restarting it can temporarily clear the message. But if the problem persists, it's a sign that professional attention is required, like the EPS module, torque sensor, or steering rack. In the most serious cases, the EPS control module or electric steering rack may be failing. Replacing and recalibrating these components usually resolves the warning permanently, though this is normally done only after checking the battery, cables, and sensors first, so you don't spend money unnecessarily.